Students, I'll quickly discuss the exercise 11.1. Okay, from that 11.1 we have already seen the second question, that is the construction of sides with a triangle with 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 2 by 3 part. Okay, this we have already seen. Okay, now we are going to construct the next one, that is where the sides are given 5, 6 and 7 centimeter and you have to make 7 by 5 part of that corresponding triangle. Okay, you have to make another triangle. So for that there are 2 or 3 things you have to understand first. The first construction which we did, okay, there it was 2 by 3 parts. Okay, so we have to make a triangle which is less than that. The parts, if you see here, okay, this is 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter and we made 3 parts here. Okay, 1, 2 and 3, and then we joined the third part with the line segment here. Okay, and then we constructed and then we did this. Okay, so for the next question it is 7 upon 5. So if you see here 2 upon 3 and 7 upon 5, this is the more part, the denominator part is 3 here the numerator is more than the denominator. So what we have to do is we will have to make 7 parts here. Okay, so when you are taking 7 parts and then the 5th part should be joined with the line segment, end point of the line segment, the 5th part. Okay, and we are going to construct it outside. Here the construction was inside. Okay, because this is the second part, this is the third part. Here we are going to have 5th part and the 7th part we are going to construct like this. Okay, so you have to make 7 parts and the 5th part will be joined here to the 6 centimeter. While here it was the 6 centimeter, we joined the here. This was 6 centimeter, this, and we joined the third part. So this part we joined here. Now this part we will be joining here. Okay, so then after that the same procedure what we did for this construction, you take a arc, one arc, okay, then the second arc, then so cut the arc here. So from here you draw one arc, okay, from here you draw the next arc, okay, and from here you draw the next arc. So if this, wherever it cuts, this arc, one arc, okay, and the next arc from here, so it will cut here. So join this. Okay, then again from here you take another arc, from here you take another arc, and from here whichever arc cuts. So one arc will be like this, next arc will be like this, and from here you draw another arc. Okay, so similar way you will have this line segment. The construction is same as this construction. Okay, now we go to the fourth question. Now in the fourth question you have an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter. So first you have to construct this and then make this 1.5. Okay, so 1.5 means it is 3 upon 2. Okay, so again you have to make 3 parts and then take this 2 parts, like here 7 upon 5 you have to make 3 parts. Okay, and take the second part. But for that first you have to construct this triangle. So for constructing that triangle, first take 8 centimeter as your base. Okay, and from both these points, okay, take a radius, any radius, okay, from here, okay, and draw an arc here, draw an arc here, same radius, okay, that you, and same here. Okay, so you make a perpendicular bisector from here and from here. So join this. Okay, when you are joining this, okay, perpendicular bisector, this, from here, from this point, take a scale and measure 4 centimeter and put the arc here. So this will be your 4 centimeter altitude. Okay, then from this point join this and join this. You will get an isosceles triangle where this side and this side is same, and this is the altitude 4 centimeter, base is 8 centimeter. So we get the isosceles triangle first. Then after getting the isosceles triangle, draw this ray and then make 3 parts of this, and then again the same construction what we did here. in this construction. Make 3 parts and do this. But for this construction of the triangle, where here you have got 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, you did it. So here you have to first construct this triangle and then go for the steps. Okay. Now the next question is, you have to draw triangle ABC with BC is equal to 6 centimeter, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle ABC is 60 centimeter. So first you have to construct this triangle and then go for this 3/4 one. Okay, so you have to make 4 parts here, and the third part you will have to join. Okay, so for constructing that triangle, first take this 6 centimeter, then make a 60-degree angle. All of you know how to make a 60-degree angle. Any arc from here, so you will get this as 60-degree, and from here to here you make a 5 centimeter, and then make a triangle. After making this triangle, then again make this line and then 4 parts. Okay, so first you construct this triangle and then go for the construction. Now next is draw triangle ABC with 7 centimeter, angle B is 45 and angle A is 105. So first make this triangle and then 4 upon 3. Again here you have got 4 upon 3. So like 7 upon 5 you have to make 4 parts and join the third part. Okay. So for that, first make a 7 centimeter line. Okay. Then here, from here construct 90-degree. I hope everybody knows how to construct 90-degree. Okay, so you can have here 60, okay, then 60, and then 120, and then you can make 90, or you can take 180 and perpendicular bisect it. This is your 90-degree. Okay, then 90-degree, if you bisect it, bisect 90-degree, you will get 45-degree. From here to here, you bisect it. So this will be the bisector. So here you will have 45-degree. Now from here you have to construct 30-degree. Why? Because angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. Okay, so B is 45 and C is not given to you, and A is given 105. So total will be 180. So angle C will be 30. So it is easy to construct 30 instead of 105. So construct 30 here. Now how to construct 30? Make an arc like this. This will be 60 from here. Now bisect this. So this will be the bisect. So bisect this angle like this, and wherever it joins, put a point here. So this will be 30, this will be 45. So naturally this will be 105. So this angle, triangle first you construct, and then again you make here a ray and then make 4 parts and join the third part to the C. Okay. Now next is draw a right angle whose sides other than hypotenuse are 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter, and then again construct 5 by 3 parts. Okay, so first draw this and then make 5 parts and join the third part. Okay, so for that construction, here you have this. Okay, this is your hypotenuse. So this is other than hypotenuse. Okay, here this is 4 centimeter. Okay, now make a right angle. Now all of you know how to make a right angle. After making a right angle, take 3 centimeter on this right angle. Okay, and this is your hypotenuse. Now again you draw a ray here. Okay, and after drawing ray you have to make 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and join the third part to this like this, and then again the construction what we did, 1, then the next ray, and then okay. So the construction for all the triangles is same as this construction which I have already taught you, but for that first you have to construct this triangle. That is very important. So this construction of this triangle is different, but all the method is same as this. Okay, thank you.